Okay, this is a box opening, and let's see if we can do this without messing things up. And there it is. Box we've got here. The back of it. Go. And let's see what's in here. Okay. Take the top one off here. Macbook. It is. It's got a licensing agreement reading thing here. And we've got, looks like it's USB, headphones, USB, Firewire, and not sure. Okay. Let's see what else we got in here. We got a quick start guide. Some more stuff. Yeah, Apple stickers. The charging cable. There. And that's the box here. That's it. That's all there is. Alright. That's it. Here's the MacBook Air. It looks like. And let's see if it turns on. Okay. Yep, there it goes.